Hello everyone. Are you wondering what petty posting means? Let's explore. Petty posting is when someone makes subtle, often passive-aggressive social media posts aimed at another person without directly mentioning them. This behavior is characterized by its indirect nature, where the poster might share a quote, meme, or status that hints at an ongoing conflict or dissatisfaction. Petty posting is a way to express frustration or make a point without engaging in direct confrontation. It's a common tactic in online drama, where people use their platforms to air grievances in a less overt way. The goal is often to provoke a reaction or send a message while maintaining a level of deniability. Petty posting is a modern form of indirect communication in the age of social media. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.